Right, Sean, exactly about 8 minutes away from here, I was actually able to find a man who posted a video on Facebook this morning showing the damages of this strong windstorm. He says he was woken up by a loud boom. When he walked outside, he was surprised with what he saw. The loud 60 to 80 mile per hour winds that whipped through the valley Tuesday night woke up Dominic Collins in his home in East Las Vegas.
All we just heard was a loud boom. It's like, you looked outside, looked out the window. You can see the roof. You can see the roof. It's like, wow, the tree finally fell.
When Collins stepped outside, he couldn't believe it and captured this video.
Well. It was a matter of time.
Nearly a 40-foot tall tree had fallen over. Collins says he is thankful no one was hurt.
It could have landed on the house, could have, split the house and, damaged the house. But luckily enough, it fell towards the street.
It fell right in front of his neighbor, Kelsey Allen's garage, making it a challenging Wednesday morning for her family.
My daughter had to get a ride to school this morning. I couldn't take her to school.
Allen, who did not want to show her face on camera, says her cars are trapped in the garage, but she was glad the tree did not damage anything on her property. She called her property management team and they sent out Edgar Larios, who has a tree service company in the valley. He says this was the 12th home he's been to before 11 a.m.
Trees this size, if they're not rooted big enough, that's when they come loose like that because their roots are very shallow, they don't go deep.
To remove a tree like this one, Larios says it can cost anywhere between $4,500 to $5,500. But the time to remove it?
Typically about 4 to 6 hours.
Dominique's mother, Jacqueline Collins, who has lived in this home for 11 years, says falling trees here is no surprise.
But this is the 4th tree that's fallen in our neighborhood.
Larios says he has been an arborist in the valley for nearly 30 years and says this is not uncommon due to the poor soil in the valley.
People got the misconception of thinking that the roots of the tree are very deep. In this valley, they're not.